It's a fine morning in India, and today I thought why not start the day with having a beautiful breakfast. We are going to be making the most common and popular breakfast in India. You guessed it right, it's poha, but don't go anywhere because we have a new style to make poha. So only a few people know how to make this, and I learned this recipe when I was going to my hometown. And when we stopped for breakfast, there was a guy who was selling poha, and we ate the poha. I loved it, so I asked him the recipe, so I know it from that. So I wanted to tell you how to make it. So let's look at the recipe. Let's look at the ingredients for this recipe. It is chopped green chili, chopped onion, poha, which is nothing but just flattened rice, sugar, lemon juice, mustard seeds, salt, fennel seeds, and namkeen. So before we make the poha, we have to wash and soak this. So now guys, we have washed the poha and let it soak for a couple of minutes. Now guys, this is the most important step of making poha. If you don't do it correctly, your poha will get very dry or very sticky. Okay, let's get started. So now guys, we have took a pan and the oil is heating up. So now we're gonna add both the seeds in it. And then we're gonna add the chopped green chili in it. So now guys, our green chili looks ready too. So now we're gonna add lemon juice, and now the poha. And now we have to mix it for a while. So now we have mixed the poha, and now we're gonna add a little bit turmeric powder. That's gonna give a good color to our poha. And then mix it and then let it cook for a couple minutes. So now, as you can see, the color of the poha has changed and our poha isn't sticking. That means we have done a good job yet, and we have added the sugar and then mix it and let it cook for 3 or 4 minutes. Now finally we will add the salt in it and then mix it. So now guys, our poha is ready. So now we're gonna take it in our plate and turn off the burner. So now to garnish this, we're gonna put namkeen, and then onion. So now we're gonna take a spoon. So now guys, I have took the poha in a bowl, and now I'm sitting outside, and now I'm gonna take a bite for you guys. With the new style, it's so good. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye guys.